My name is Jeff Neinstadt with Kendall Volkswagen of Bend. Just wanted to show you guys this 40th anniversary Jetta GLI that we have here in the lot. So here we have the Jetta GLI. It's the 40th anniversary. It's the rising blue. Since 1984, GLIs as well as GTIs have had a red accent, and that's something that they've remained true and faithful to throughout their history in their cars lineup. The 40th anniversary was a driver's car, and they tried to make it as light as possible. So it is a very fun car to drive, 228 horsepower, 258 foot-pounds of torque, so you're really getting a lot of power down to the road. We have 10-spoke blacked out 18-inch rims on here that pairs very nicely with those other red accents I was explaining to you guys earlier. You also have blacked out mirror caps as well as door handles, so it ties in the black, blue, and red theme together very well. Another really cool feature that I appreciate about this 40th anniversary GLI is that it has a special edition wheel that's also flat bottom. One thing that you guys will notice is the ambient lighting. It's all set to red right now. It ties in very nicely with some of the other red accents in the vehicle. One thing that I do notice and stands out to me is this red and black inlay is something I've never seen in any other model. One of my favorite aspects of driving this vehicle is the dynamic chassis control, or DCC as it's known. It can stiffen the suspension when needed or soften it if you're going on a road trip, which I think is an excellent feature for a drivable car. One other big benefit of this 2-liter turbo, it's paired with a 7-speed DSG transmission, which is great because it has a flappy paddle gearbox, as some people call it, and it makes it very smooth shifting, but also very responsive. One of my favorite features about this GLI 40th anniversary car is that it has some new tech that some other models that I've previously driven did not have. One of them being the car performance monitoring system. So you can check on not only your boost PSI, also the G-forces of the car when you're cornering or accelerating, as well as how much horsepower your engine's actually producing. You can also select different options here for oil temperature, water temperature, to keep statistics in mind on this vehicle while you are driving it, like a driver should. Thanks everyone for tuning in for this 24 Jetta GLI that we have here on the lot. If you're looking to take it for a test drive, feel free to come in and ask for Jeff Neinstadt. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out.
Kendall, let's start something great.